How you doing, everyone? So today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make 4 quick infusions, 4 cups of tea really. All of them work really well, hot or cold. Yeah, just boil it up, and then what I do is just sieve it out, drain it out, and then you can drink it straight away nice and hot, or stick it in a bottle in the fridge over ice. Delightful. Now this is what's kept me really young. Now a lot of you don't know that I'm 97 years old, not 50 odd, but yeah, this is what keeps me young, and I love these. I drink them all day, to be honest. Okay, so I've got here 2 pints of water, or about a litre of water. I've got some fresh mint, and here I've got 2 limes. You could use lemon if you want. Okay, let's just drop our mint in there. Give these a squeeze. I like lime actually, not lemon. I'm going to drop them in. And then all we're going to do is we're going to put this on the cooker, and we're going to bring it to a boil, and then lower the heat once it's boiling. I'm going to go for about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and then at the end I'm going to add a bit of honey, and that is beautiful. Really nice hot, or what I do is put it in a bottle and then have it, you know, with ice, you know, stick it in a bottle in the fridge and then over ice. So either way, hot or cold, fantastic. Okay, so that's beautiful. All I'm going to do now is put a little bit of honey in there, give it a stir. Like I say, hot or cold, this is delicious. If you want, add some tea to it, you know, red, green or black. Okay, let's do another one. So again, I've got the same amount of water, 2 pints of water, or about a litre of water. And here I've got some ginger, which I've cut. I left the skin on it. I didn't peel it or anything. So I'll just cut it nice and thin. And again, you can really muck about with the amounts that you put in. And then here I've got some green cardamom pods, I think 5 or 6, about 10 maybe, or 8 or 10 cloves, and some cinnamon. I'm just going to pop that in. And we're going to do the same. We're going to get to the cooker, bring it to a boil, and then let it go on a nice low heat for about 20 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Now again, if you wanted, you can get some tea into that, some black tea, green tea or red tea or something like that. And if you wanted, add some sugar or honey. I like it just like this one. Beautiful. Okay, so here we go again. So again, 2 pints or 1 litre of water roughly. Just a little bit of lime or lemon. I'm just going to use half, and just a little bit of ginger, and then the lemongrass. Now what I've done with the lemongrass, I don't know if you can see that, is I've just cut the end off, and then I've just bashed it with the back of my knife just to crack it open a little bit. Very simple. That goes in, that goes in, that gets squeezed, and then that goes in, and then we're off to the cooker, aren't we? So the heat goes on. We're going to bring that to a boil. Once it reaches boiling point, get it on a nice low heat, rolling boil, 20 minutes. Lovely. Off goes the heat. That is beautiful. Really, really nice. And once again, if you want, add some tea to it. Red, black or green. Sugar or honey. I like it just like that. And again, works just as well, hot or cold. Okay, and last one for today. This I like to have when I've got a bit of a cold, not feeling so good. So what I've got here is some star anise, a little bit of ginger, and here I've got black pepper. Black pepper sounds weird to go in, but it really is nice. I've got a coarse ground pepper. You can use black pepper corns if you want, and then some lime. 2 pints or about a litre of water. What we're going to do is pop all that in, same again, onto the cooker, boil it up, turn it down, simmer 20 minutes. Okay, on goes the heat, in goes the star anise, in goes the lime or lemon. Like I said, I just prefer lime, a little bit of ginger, the black pepper, We're going to bring that to the boil. Once it's at boiling point, simmer about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to add some honey to that one as well. Okay, off goes the heat. Nice big glug of honey in there, or sugar. I like to put quite a lot of honey in here. Like I say, this one's great for when I'm not feeling so good. And the pepper really is fantastic in this. Beautiful. And of course the star, anise. All right, so that's it. Job done. You've seen 4. I make lots of sort of versions of this. I sort of, you know, all the combos and different stuff. Yeah, I'll make a few more of these soon, I think. Anyway, hope you're all well. I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.